Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make homemade peanut butter and homemade Nutella. So give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
I'm going to show you how to make homemade peanut butter. I'm going to be using my NutriBullet. Add 2 cups of shelled peanuts. I use roasted and salted. I warmed the nuts up in the microwave for a few seconds. I found when the nuts are warm they release their oils quicker. Pulse the nuts for 1 to 2 minutes, then scrape down the sides. Continue to pulse and scrape down the sides until the mixture looks soft and glossy. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Pulse again for a few minutes and you should end up with a smooth peanut butter. I like my peanut butter with some chopped up peanuts, so I added a 1/4 cup of roasted and salted peanuts. I mixed it through and put the mixture in a glass jar. Next is the Nutella. On a baking tray, scatter 8 ounces of hazelnuts and place it into the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it as you do not want it to burn. Allow to cool down slightly, then remove the outer skin of the hazelnuts. Place the warm nuts into the cup and pulse until the nuts liquefy. This might take some time, but just be patient. Mine took about 5 to 10 minutes. Stop now and then and scrape down the sides. Add in 1 cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 3 tablespoons coconut oil. Pulse to combine the ingredients. Stopping now and then to scrape down the sides. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, and pulse again to combine the ingredients. You should end up with a smooth mixture. Store in a glass jar. And enjoy.